blah. Yes guys, it's Super Herman here again with another video, and this week we are celebrating Halloween. So it's my first time dressing up for Halloween, so I'm super excited. By the way, the most difficult part about this for me was the makeup. As you guys can see, I did it myself. It's not the best, but I tried, and you can see that I'm a vampire. Yeah, I'm super excited. Also, the fact that I'm at work, I cannot film students, but I suppose I'll film other things. Anyways. Ooh. Oh. Alright, yes you guys, I am literally tired. Work has been fun. We've been dancing with the kids, doing a lot of Halloween things, and the kids are beautifully dressed, but unfortunately again I can't film them. Nonetheless, I'll try to show you guys some of the moves I learned, Halloween moves. Hey guys, so that ends our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a simple video. It was basically to show you guys my first time disguising myself, dressing up for Halloween, and to show you guys the events that will be held in Lille on the 30th and the 31st of this month. Hence, I'm putting out the video today. Alright guys, so in Lille you will have laser games, spooky dining, spooky street walking, escape games, museum tours, spooky vibes. I'll leave all the information down in the description box, so please check it out. And if you get the event, I just might be there. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I should do something scary.